In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save the images in Meta AI automatically on WhatsApp full tutorial. If you've been generating images with Meta AI inside WhatsApp and want them to save automatically, the key is adjusting WhatsApp's built-in media download settings. This controls whether photos coming into your chats download on their own and appear in your phone's gallery or camera roll. Start by opening your WhatsApp application. Make sure you're on a recent version so the menus look familiar and everything works smoothly. Once the app is open, look toward the lower left of your screen and tap your profile icon. This takes you into the main settings area where you can control how WhatsApp handles messages, media, and storage. If your layout looks a little different, don't worry. Some devices label this as settings, but the goal is to reach the screen where you can manage storage and data. Next, tap Storage, sometimes labeled Storage and Data. This section is where WhatsApp manages media behavior and file sizes. It's useful when you want images to arrive ready to view without tapping to download, especially for AI-generated images you plan to save or share later. You'll also see how much space media is using, which can help you balance convenience with storage limits. Now choose which media will be automatically downloaded from the messages you receive. You'll typically see options for photos, audio, videos, and documents, and separate toggles for when you're on mobile data, Wi-Fi, or roaming. To save Meta AI images automatically, enable photos for the connection types you're comfortable with. If you're often on Wi-Fi, turning on auto download for photos. Under Wi-Fi is a great balance between convenience and data usage. If you have a generous data plan, you can enable it for mobile data as well, but keep in mind that images will download as they arrive, which can use bandwidth. Once these settings are on, images you receive should download automatically into your WhatsApp media folder and show up in your gallery or camera roll depending on your device. If you don't see them in your gallery, check your phone's gallery permissions for WhatsApp and make sure any Save to Gallery or Show Media in Gallery options are allowed in your device settings. Also, consider available storage. If your phone is nearly full, automatic downloads may pause. That's it. With these settings adjusted, images generated by Meta AI in your WhatsApp chats will come in automatically, ready for quick viewing, saving, or sharing without extra taps.